videotaping. If not, I'm gonna have to call the law enforcement.
What's your name, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, I'm not gonna give you my name. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can I do a public records request with you, please?
Law enforcement is on their way.
So
How's it going?
good, thank you. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Usually cameras aren't allowed in places.
What places?
So, like, you know, a state type place. Usually authorization is needed, so I'll have to double check what, you know, if you can use that camera in here.
Okay.
So I was wondering if maybe you could, you know, turn it off and then I'll see
I
if
can
you
wait you check. I'm pretty sure that I can. Gonna check?
Yeah, I was wondering if maybe you could take it into like that area just outside or just shut it off until I find out for sure. Because it just starts to gather more information, you know, on our time here. And I gotta find out. So would you be able to do that for me, please?
Well, I'd rather wait for you checking here. But it's empty, so, and it's about to close, so it might take too long.
Yeah, why do you have the camera if you don't mind me asking, actually?
I wanna do a public records request.
Oh, okay.
That's it. What, do you know where I go to do that?
I'm not too familiar with that.
Oh, yeah. Well, nobody's here,
Yeah,
so I think I
that's
will
beyond
check
me.
on the other place. I would just show around.
Okay, is this for like a job that you're doing then? Like a journalist or?
Oh, yeah, you can say that. It's, I just collect anything that is for public interest.
Right, right.
And
Okay.
since this is a state building, I'm just recording around.
Right, well, I got a degree myself in journalism, and like when we went into like city council buildings, they would already know we'd be coming, and so we had authorization. But this just kind of happened spontaneously. So, do you have a degree in that?
Oh, you don't need a degree to do journalism.
Okay, all right, yeah, all is well. Well, if you could maybe just help me out here, and then maybe just follow me right into the vestibule here, and then I'll find out. That way we're not continuing to.
Well, since it's empty here, while you find out, I will go to the other place then.
Yeah, well, actually, I don't know if I can let you in here with the camera, so I'm going to find out really quick. I do
Here,
appreciate
I
you
will
putting
go to
it
the
on.
other room there. Because nobody's here anyways.
Yeah, you can grab a couple other masks if you want, but yeah, you
just
got to
need
have
one
that
in
on
each.
for sure.
Yeah, that's why I got this one. Mask.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to get the
That's why mask.
building manager.
Okay,
That's who you're about to speak with.
alright.
As you know, just keep the mask on at all times.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Mask. And you guys saw that I just dropped. Oh, how do I turn this? I dropped the mask because I'm dumb. So let me show you guys around here. So all this stuff is really from someone. So I think they close at 5. It's about 4:25. Anyone here? No. But I think people can sleep here if they need. Person's probably living here. I heard of a shelter that kicked off a family because someone tested positive for COVID. So then, hi.
Hi, ma'am. Can I
Yes.
please ask you not to videotape, please?
Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah, can you stop your within this building? You're not allowed to videotape anything
Why
unless
is
you get
that?
pre-authorization.
Why is that?
Because this is a state building, although it's
Yeah.
public, but we have confidential information here, so you're not to tape around without authorization here.
I
I'm so
didn't see any
sorry.
confidential information.
Can I call the police?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to ask you to stop videotaping. If not, I'm gonna have to call the law enforcement.
Okay, you do what you're gonna do. I'm now going to stop recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I do my public records request, please?
Civic records, we don't take records here.
You should.
No, we're a field office. We're not a record office.
No, I think you should.
So I'm not gonna say anything more unless you stop videotaping.
Do you know the RCW 4256? The Public Records Act?
I'm sorry, I'm not responding until you stop videotaping. I didn't give you my consent to videotape.
I don't need your consent. You're a public employee.
No, I'm sorry, and I have my rights as well. So no, I'm sorry.
Yeah, what rights give you? What is the right that makes you ask me to stop recording you? Which rights that? Because I don't know. So you're refusing service?
I'm not refusing service.
Yes, you are. You are walking away. I asked you to do a public records request and you are leaving.
You didn't ask for consent. You didn't ask for my permission.
I don't need your consent. You're a public employee.
I'm a state employee.
Yes,
You cannot.
public.
Please, I'm asking you nicely. Do not.
I'm asking you nicely to let me do my public records request.
If you stop videotaping,
No, because what if you deny again? I want to have in camera that you deny me service. That's what you are doing right now.
can you consent to videotape me?
I don't need consent, lady. I don't need it.
Okay, then I'm sorry. I will not be able to unless you stop videotaping. Thank you very much.
So you are not gonna help me because I'm recording. Unbelievable. I'm thirsty. And look, see? This is a crime, guys. Make me how foggy. And the security guard is calling the police. The lady's not gonna help me. Not helping me. I just wanna do a public records request. And you guys saw where we are. I knew they're all Terrans. I have just a public records request while writing down. Super easy to follow. Then I have this that Surveyor told me to show them because they asked me to stop recording, but it's just too much stuff to say. So that's that. Well, so this is the office here. You know what? I'll go to the other office there, but I'm not sure. I'm afraid, to be honest, that if I go to the other office, there's this one. I think foster care is pretty awesome, guys. Broken phone. Fire extinguisher missing. Visitors
Return your badge.
Washington State is a two-party consent state, so because we are not offering our consent to be videotaped, you need to stop.
Can
Law
I do a
enforcement is
public
on their way.
records request with you, please?
Law enforcement is on their way. Washington State law for audio recording and videotaping, if one of the two parties does not consent, you are not allowed to videotape.
That's wrong. Do you think?
No, actually it's not. I heard that from Bellevue PD myself. You need to leave.
Well,
Cops
you
are on their
heard
way.
that. You should actually look that
You
up.
should actually get out of my building.
Do you think it's appropriate to call the cops for someone
I think it's
exercising
appropriate to
civil
call the cops on
rights?
someone who's trespassing and has been asked to leave multiple times.
Is that okay if I finish talking before you start
Washington
talking?
State is a two-party consent state. You need to leave. Hi, my name is Nicole. I work for DCYF in Bellevue, and we have a woman in our lobby that's videotaping without our consent. We have to leave multiple times when we need her to leave next.
What's your main objective for being here? Is it the documentation that you really wanted then? Or is it-
I'm just gathering footage of anything that is for public interest, and I was recording mainly to see if they would refuse service, and they did. So now I'm gonna just wait for the cops.
Oh, okay. Have you been refused service in the past and you're building
Oh,
a
I do
court
this all the
case
time.
at other places?
Usually those places, the children service, whatever, are the worst. And it's weird because they're supposed to be helping people, but I think they're just used to not helping people really. And then that's their behavior with the public. She's wrong. That is no such a thing. I don't need to ask permission to recording when I have a device that is clearly recording. If it was hidden, then she's right. Then would be legal. But since I'm not hiding, I have a camera, I have a microphone. It's obviously what I'm doing, and I haven't denied that I'm recording. So she's wrong.
Yeah, they may have upped the regulations on that with all the things going on in the world these days, you know, with heightened security, et cetera, et cetera. However, law enforcement are on their way, so I'll have
Okay.
a word with you and then we can
All
kind
right.
of find out what's going on. here.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. What's your name, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, I'm not gonna give you my name. I'm sorry.
Okay. You don't have any weapons or anything on you?
I don't think I need to answer that question.
Okay.
People just do this. Hey ma'am, how you doing?
Hello. Good. Thank you. How are you?
So I guess they're just concerned that you're videotaping and not being forthcoming with all the information.
Well,
Is there anything I can help you with? Maybe talk to them with?
Hey, if you can ask them to get my public records request, that's all that I want to do.
What? Can I see it? What is it exactly?
It's a public records request about information of their department.
Okay. Is this something that you typed or printed?
I typed and printed and wrote.
Okay. Did you call ahead to see if they had all this stuff available, or you just showed up?
Well, they don't need to give me right now. They just need to get me a receipt of this request, and then I will be on my way.
Okay.
They'll probably email me with the information. That's usually how public records request goes.
So I'm sorry, my cursive is not the best. Names, positions. What's the next one?
Salaries?
Salaries of everyone working in the Department of Children and Family Services located at this address.
Yes.
Timely or prompt and whatnot. So let me see if I can can I get this to
Sure.
try to,
Yes. I just need a receipt if they
just a
attach
receipt saying that you got it so they can start
that
working
they
on it?
received, and then they will get back to me one time manner.
Okay, do you have a phone number or something?
I
they
have
can
an
reach?
email there.
Oh, even better.
Thank
All right,
you.
give me a quick minute.
All right.
Just start pretty soon, huh? Yeah. Well, have you done all the shifts?
Yeah. No, actually, this is my first time at this. So this is like number 13, I think, and then every single one has been with every shift but this one.
Okay, so, well, you mean, like, you've done day shift?
Yeah.
Break out, okay. Yep, this is last, this is my brother and I went to, see my dad.
Hey, so I just finished talking with them. They said all their stuff is listed on a website online regarding their like general salary information. Like when you apply for a job, you're gonna make this X amount of money, and the name and position of everybody in this office. Correct? It's just for this office, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they have the public records, I guess, website that you can go online, and she said a simple Google search of this building with the people that works here will work as well.
Pretty much, if they had got my paper, my request, they could have go to the internet, print it, and I will be gone in 5 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, and they couldn't help me.
Well, I haven't been here for 30 minutes.
I
and
have.
I don't.
Just from the first time that they refused service. Can I get the request back though?
What do you mean a request?
The
back?
little paper that I
Yes,
gave to you?
they're bringing all of
Oh,
that
okay,
out there.
awesome, thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, may I have your business card? And if there is an incident number, I'd love to have that too, please.
That'd be my last one.
Sorry, I'll give you more.
That's, I got two more. One more.
I was supposed to get some yesterday. They're on for it. Can I have an incident number over there? So here's an incident number, it's 22-6139,
Awesome.
and contact email, last name.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Form. Yeah, they're writing down the website information. They said that stuff is just on their website, I guess, for any like future or more specific requests. They're writing down like the contact information for the public records, the disclosure person, because usually it's a few amount of people who fulfill the public's request. Like, hey, I want to know all this information. It's like, okay, fill out this form, send it back, and we'll get back to you with that.
It's so weird that they need to call the police.
Okay, so what I have for you is public disclosure, a phone number, an email, a website, and then there's other stuff on here, but this is what you're looking for.
Okay.
And that's how you get your information.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, what's her name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Sandy McCool.
Are you the supervisor here?
I am a supervisor covering for the office today. I don't oversee the whole office.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much.
What was your name?
I don't say my name.
Okay. You have a good rest of your night.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Bye bye. Thank you guys. Very professional.
That's almost like, who's that person ahead of me? It's like, you're gonna have to do a big turnaround somewhere. Yeah. All right, man.
Unbelievable. So, oh, it's simple. You just need to go to the website. All the information is there. So go to the website, print the information, and give it to me.